Hello my GSM all brother, today I'll show you the biggest trick. This trick is very important, helpful trick. Now what is trick? Trick is any button phone sound problem. So what you do the any button phone shield, you remove the shield and look these two thermistor, and here is the logo sound IC, and these two sound resistor you just one solder here and two solder here, and these two solder here connect to the your loudspeaker, two pin, one there, and your sound properly work. This trick is any phone, any button phone, any smartphone working. GSM Rakib bhai, it is me. Here is two thermistor.